Mr. Mush here. So, we are going to make some penguins sliding down an icy hill in a belly surfing race. Alright? So, let's get to it. So, all you need is oil clay and oil clay tools. Alright? So, I went ahead of time. I smushed down a light blue piece of clay. It's got some colors. So, I'm going to flip that over. Okay? And then I did something called marbling. I mixed white and a little bit of light blue to show that it's snowy and it's icy, okay? And this is gonna be my water, and this is gonna be my snowy hill, okay? So I'm gonna turn it into a big old hill, okay? Or you could say it's like an icy cliff, okay? Just like this. Okay, you know what? I think it needs a little more white. So I'm going to take some more white. And when you're marbling, you don't need to mix a lot. Something just like this. Okay. And I think that's good. And then I'm just going to smooth it out like that. And I'm going to put the hill like this. Okay. And I'm gonna smush it down into the blue. But just be careful that it might stick to your table or whatever you're working on. Okay? So, there's my ice cliff. Okay? I could put some little chunks of ice floating around. Just like this. They can be whatever shape. Okay, and just like that, and then I smush it down, okay, and then I'm gonna make my penguins. So I'm gonna take some black clay, and because it's so small, I just need a little bit. I'm rolling them into ovals like this, because they're gonna be going like this, sliding down, okay, and I forgot, I need some yellow for their beaks. So I'm gonna open this up real quick. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna take some yellow. So, I got my penguin. I'm gonna pinch a little tail right here. I'm gonna take some black right here. Pinch out his flippers, just like this. And you know what? I want his flippers to be like this, so he's more aerodynamic, because he's going on his belly. Speaking of his belly, I'm gonna put a little bit of white and smush it down and put it on his belly, like this. Okay. And then I'm gonna take, oh, that was my other penguin. Oh no! All right, and then I'm gonna take some more black for the other flipper. Just like this. Okay, I'm gonna use the yellow. I'm gonna make little feet. Now you can use yellow, orange, whatever you want for the feet and the beak. I think either of those colors work. Okay, and then he's got his little feet, and then I'm gonna do little white dots for his eyes, and I'm just rolling little coils because I want it to look like he's like happy. See, like that. That's a little too big, so I'm gonna split that in half. Okay, and then I'm gonna take his beak and stick it on just like this, and there you go. I got my racing penguin. Okay, there he is. So I'm gonna put him down here, like he's sliding on his belly. Okay, he's about to go in the water, and then I'm gonna make his buddy. Okay, and penguins are, I love penguins. I think they're really cute. I think they're really interesting. You know, penguins are one of the only birds that don't fly. And they, you know, and they, what I think is really interesting is when they have a chick, a little baby penguin, the parents need to shift the little baby penguin to their feet, because if they don't, the little baby penguin could freeze because it's so cold in Antarctica. So it's really neat. Like, it's really interesting stuff. If you want to learn more about penguins, you can go online, and there's this really great documentary. It's called March of the Penguins, and you can check that out. So here's my other penguin, and he's sliding right next to his buddy, okay? And oh, what the heck. I'll make one more, except this one is cheering for his friends because he's going to be standing on one of the ice that's floating by. Okay, so there you go. Make his little beak. Now, you know, and did you know that some penguins live in like South Africa where it's warm? Someone once told me that they went to South Africa and they saw all these penguins, and it was amazing. And I wish I could have went, but I couldn't go with my friend. So maybe next time. I've only seen penguins at the zoo, but that's okay. I'd rather go to the zoo or South Africa than Antarctica. That is too cold for Mr. Mush. Okay? And plus, like, could you imagine the plane ride? That'd be crazy. Okay? So here's my little penguin, and he's cheering on his friends right there. And I'll hold it up for you to see, like this. And there's our little penguin scene. Okay? Cheering on his friends, having a belly race into the water. Okay? So, with that being said, I would love to see your penguin's belly race. So send us an image on our email or tag us on social media. I would love to see how your penguin race looks. Okay? And I know it's going to look fantastic. And as always, use the colors you want. Like, I just did like traditional looking penguins. If you want them to be blue, green, whatever, you do what you want. All right? All right, guys. So with that being said, I'm going to head on over to the next project, and I'll see you there. Peace.